So, I saw an extreme lack of videos online about the ForTwo electric in the United States. It's a great little car. It's my third or fourth EV. One negative of it is it has no metal armrest standard. It's a $100 option from the factory, and I have no idea why they don't include it. But for whatever reason, it's not included. So I had to go online and find one that was affordable and looked nice. I had to go all the way to Italy. The company and the armrests from the Wood Company of Italy. That was my i3 there locking on me. Braccioli IT. Comes wrapped pretty nicely in a plastic bag. Took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here. Not too bad. Pretty affordable. So we'll see how it is to install it. So installing the armrest looks pretty straightforward. It's just a one screw affair out and a new screw in. We will see how this goes. Looks like I need a Torx T20 to get it out. And then a standard Phillips to put the new screw provided by them back in. So we'll see how this goes. And took out the existing Torx screwdriver, my Torx screw. And then you can see there's one hole missing there. Made in Italy. I'm going to have to take out my little dash cam power thing there. And fits right into the existing hole. Pretty snug. And then a nice new long screw should go there. And since I am not a professional YouTuber or a video person, I want to stop filming while I screw this in. It's not very exciting anyway. So, as the instructions said, it is a one screw affair. Did have a little bit of trouble as it's a very long screw getting it down the channel correctly. But once I got the channel correct and it was down the hole, one screw, it goes in, it's tight. The 12-volt outlet is still usable. This is a plate, because I guess in Europe they have a USB port and some smart card options, but I'm in the United States, so we don't get those options. But the armrest is great. Yeah. Really just the armrest. It was quite uncomfortable driving this car without the armrest. As far as the rest of the smart car goes, this is the Prime edition. There's lots of videos on that. It's a pretty good car. The EPA says 58 miles. It has a 17 kilowatt hour battery, same as my i3, and I can easily get 70 miles, 72 miles out of this car without even trying. It's a great little runabout car. I have no complaints really. I did do some modifications. I put new LEDs here, and I put LEDs, what else? On the reverse lights, the license plate lights, and I put in new headlights and new fog lights just for kicks and giggles. But it's a great little runabout car. I actually prefer it over that gigantic Tesla back there and the i3, which goes back to BMW here soon, to be replaced by a Model 3. I use this car primarily just going to and from the airport. I travel for a living. There's enough room for my luggage in the back, and me, I travel solo most of the time. It's a great little runabout car. I don't mind leaving in the airport employee lot for a couple days. So I highly recommend it if you can swing one. I got this one from Mercedes of Sugarland. Great salesman, Raymond Williams. I paid a total of $500 to walk out the door, including my first month's payment and the acquisition fee. And I paid $185.49 a month for 36 months, 7,500 miles per year, which is fine for me because this car only goes 10 miles to the airport and 10 miles back, and then a little bit around town stuff. The outside's pretty standard, no reason to go out there, but yeah, if you want to get a smart car in the US, either get the armrest from the factory, which is apparently very rare. I see very few online that have the armrest, or from this guy in Italy. The stitching matches the factory stitching pretty well, and yeah, no complaints. Oh, and this one does slide forward and backward, so very nice. But there is no storage inside. It's just a forward and backward armrest, which is, again, that's all I wanted.